Fancy learning Welsh the easy way? So do I. Let's do it together. Simai! Hello again and welcome to another episode of Learning Welsh with Will. Well, recently I had a message asking if I could explain how to do the days of the week in Welsh. So I thought, why not? Good idea. So let's do that. Now, all of the days of the week in Welsh begin with the word Dydd, which means day, and the name of the specific day is then tagged onto the end of that word. So let's go through them. Dydd Llun, Monday. Dydd Llun. Dydd Mawrth, Tuesday. Dydd Mawrth. Dydd Mercher, Wednesday. Dydd Mercher. Dydd Iau, Thursday. Dydd Iau. Dydd Gwener, Friday. Dydd Gwener. Dydd Sadwrn, Saturday. Dydd Sadwrn. And of course, Dydd Sul, Sunday. Dydd Sul. Now in English, when we mention a particular night of the week, we leave the day attached. For example, Saturday night. Now this doesn't happen in Welsh. The day is dropped and nos, which means night, is substituted instead. So the nights of the week would go like this. Nos Llun, Monday night. Nos Llun. Nos Mawrth, Tuesday night. Nos Mawrth. Nos Mercher, Wednesday night. Nos Mercher. Nos Iau, Thursday night. Nos Iau. Nos Gwener, Friday night. Nos Gwener. Nos Sadwrn, Saturday night. Nos Sadwrn. And finally, Nos Sul, Sunday night. Nos Sul. So there they were, the days of the week and the nights of the week in Welsh. I hope it's helpful to you. So, enjoy your Welsh, and I'll see you here next time. Hwyl fawr i chi.